You can make slime without glue or activator, using just few simple ingredients. So here's a recipe using cornstarch and dish soap. I'll put it all in the description as well. The sun is strong today. Ingredients: 1 cup of cornstarch, half a cup of dish soap, and food coloring, which is optional. Instructions: number 1, mix the ingredients. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of cornstarch and half a cup of dish soap. Number 2, stir well. Mix the ingredients together until they form a dough-like consistency. If it's too dry, add a little bit more dish soap. If it's too wet, add more cornstarch. All right? Number 3, add color. Okay? So if you want colored slime, add a few drops of food coloring and mix until you achieved desired color. Okay? 1 second, please. Number 4, knead. Use your hands to knead the mixture until smooth and stretchy. Number 5, play and store. Your slime is ready to play with. Store it in an airtight container to keep it fresh. This slime is fun and an easy option that doesn't require glue or a traditional activator, so enjoy. If you have anything else to add that might help anyone else looking for this topic, put it in the description. See you later. Jesus is Lord. Ciao.